so it's not heat up, and at the same time make those greedy notes. So we need to unplug it, so you can do it from a breaker, or you just this one. Either way it's gonna be safe. Okay. You can start removing. This needs to be clean for every load. And we need a paring knife. Okay. That wasn't wrong. So I need to clean this one. And once we do that, disconnect this. Remove this key, just like that. So, as I explained as usual, you can put it if you have a room. So you just put it on to the side. Should you need to take the leads really off. Now we need to take these 5 screws. We can disconnect the sensor, so we're now able to remove the front bolt. Just lift it and pull. Alrighty, then we can reach out and remove the belt. Oh, this is super tough. Okay, somehow it was stuck. We could sit this one right here, and yeah, it could be shooting if it's not heat up. Heat element, thermostat fuse, and oh yeah. So we have a bad thermostat fuse. Everything else work as it should. So I'm gonna clean those and replace the thermostat fuse. So before I replace it, I will be back. Alrighty. So we now need to, I will clean more. Need to remove these two. And I just forgot anyway. So this part is totally melted and shortage, so you can see. So we will replace that with a new one. These things happen when I just explained to this gentleman, whoever responsible for the laundry. We always suggest to clean the filter. So at the same time, I can see right here, it's too many. So when it's overheating, means there's no air blowing up, and these fuse gonna blow up, cut off. Then these will blow up. So we're gonna test this one again. The one hand is gonna bend it, but this should be. No, it does not work. I wish I had some more. I do have. And okay. Then the way we take it off, we can put it back. We can start it with and I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, to make it easy. Started with one. Then we can put the top one. And just like that. Keep falling off. Since I have a chest mount, that's why I'm not able to do it. I'll bend it, so I don't want to cut the camera half. So, but after a few try, I did it. So we now put everything back. And this one good. I need to check this one. Kind of rough. So, which is I'm gonna do. Don't have my things to clean up, but this has helped a lot. Okay. Okay. And we should ready to. I'm just bitch about that noise. Where was that from? And we're ready to put everything back before I put everything. So I'm just gonna clean these off. Descaling those, and especially during the stock, and something between those two, the blower fan will crack and make a bad noise. So I believe we're not cracking any. So I'm gonna clean these off one by one. It's take me a little time, so when I finish, then we can put everything back. This is how we need to clean it. If you have a vacuum, that's much easier. Since I don't have it, so I just do it manually. Just one by one. To do that, you have to take this cover off first. We almost through. Okay. So I'm just making sure before I start it, so the vent connected. Otherwise, everywhere gonna be dusty and pollution, and that's not a good thing. Okay. So let me mark it. So this part goes here, and once you adjust one, then the rest gonna be easy. Okay, so we can go with this one now. So we can put this back. So make sure always before you put so around the pad. Sometimes clips, woman clips, hair clips gonna start and also make noise. then we can put the pulley back just like that. Okay. And now, and I believe that those kind of noise, if I'm not wrong, that's gonna be from those blower fan. But we will see. As soon as we clean them, we should be fine. But okay. Then we put the sensor back. So once we put it back, we can start these 5 screw back. And once we're done with that one, we can put the front cover, plug it in, and we will go for test. Okay, and just fit it. Okay, one on the top. So, do we have everything? Yes. So, you can just get it carefully. So, two sides need to be on the place. They have a hole on it, so once we, that one is okay, you can just tap it. And it should be this one. One on middle and right here. I hope I'm not missing. No. Always I miss loose screws. And I keep some, if in case I miss them, I will get it from here. Alrighty, so we will see how it turns. So the drawer that don't heat, and it's come with a kind of noise, which is, I believe that was a blower, but we will see. Hopefully we can fix that one by cleaning those dust. If not, then still that's fine. So once we hook up everything back, the belt, just like that, okay? I'm gonna plug it in and we will go for test. And we need to clean this one, and that's it. And And still I believe that's noise from the blower or motor back. So that's gonna be a different story. We got 66, that's good. That's totally fine. Already. And last thing, we can clean this one and we're ready. If you like it, this video help you out, just like and subscribe. Thank you.